Okay, this is wash day today. I'm actually going to co-wash. So I'm going to put some of the As I Am coconut co-wash. So I'm going to put that on my hair, and then I'm going to get underneath the steamer. I think this is, I know it's co-wash, but I really like it because it does not, it has great slip, and I just really like using it as like a deep conditioner. And like with me, I actually deep condition before I get in the shower, because to me, to have to get in the shower, get out the shower, and to have to deep condition, that's a lot of work. So I deep condition before I get in the shower. Okay, so now let me show you what the co-wash looks really soupy. So the co-wash is really soupy, but I really like putting this in my hair when I deep condition. And I like putting it in my hair when I deep condition because it just gives such great slip. So I just put it through my hair, and I just kind of put it through my hair. And I'm also doing a little bit of finger detangling at the same time too. So I make sure I get it all in my hair. And basically, like I said, I like to deep condition before. I like to deep condition before I get into the shower. So I deep condition, I get underneath the steamer, and then I actually get in the shower. And to me, that just cuts down so much time. And I used to actually I would actually shampoo my hair, and then I would get in the shower, and then I would get out the shower, and then I would proceed to deep condition. But that took a lot of time. And I realized, I said, well, let me try. I said, what's going to happen if I just deep condition before I get into the shower? So I just tried that, and I really like it. So as you can see, I'm really getting my hair really nice and saturated. And I don't know how many you all used to do this, but my mother would always, and I'm the only child. And my mother's with the Lord now. I have such great memories. I remember, I used to do my hair. My mother used to wash my hair in the sink in the kitchen, and you don't really know any better. And when my mother went to be with the Lord, I just always wash my hair in the sink in the kitchen. And so, I did it, and I'm sure some people still do that, but I feel like, I said, so that was the same thing. I would say, well, let me see how, if I just do it, actually wash my hair in the shower. And it seems like it was so much easier to do it that way. And that's kind of the hair I've gotten. I know nobody shows that, but I'm actually doing like a finger detangling too. So I'm actually getting out. I actually am able to get out, actually go through and get out some shed hair. So my hair is pretty much saturated with the As I Am coconut co-wash that I'm using as a deep conditioner. And so now what I do is that I get underneath the steamer, and I'll show you when I get underneath the steamer. But what I do now, I put my hair in a bun, and I don't use like a metal hairpin or anything like that. I actually use I'll use like a comb, like a little plastic comb or something like that. So I grab my hair, all my hair, and then I proceed to put it in a bun. So I put it in a bun, and I kind of just do a little twist, and I put it in a bun. And then I I'll get let me get a hairpin or something let's see here. I usually like to get a comb. So I'll just get a comb like this. Or if you have like a plastic hairpin, and then I will put that in my hair. So as you can see, I have my hair pretty much, I mean, if you wanted to, I'm talking about like if you're in warm weather or something. I mean, you could go out like this and let your hair be deep conditioned. Last night, I actually put some oils in my hair. I'm actually just rinsing my hair, rinsing my hands. So you can actually put some, you can put, like I put in oils in my hair the night before. I put some of the wind oils. I actually, I did a video on the wind oils, and I'll just show you some of the oils that I use. So I'm rinsing my hands now. So the next step is me going to I'll show you how I get under the steamer. So I am going to the steamer now.